Hey friends, if you wish to find a word on a web page in Chrome, Firefox and Microsoft Edge browsers, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's the same for all of them and actually all across all systems. So here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the F key together, Control key and the F key together, and search for the word you want to search. Let's say it's home. So you can search for it and then hit enter, and now it will highlight everywhere you see the word home. Like it will highlight it here, it will highlight it here at the bottom. So this is what it does. It's similar for Firefox. Press the control key and the F key together, and it looks a little different. It was on Edge, it was at the top. In Firefox, it's at the bottom, but it will still show in a similar manner. Now I'll search for the word fashion, and as you can see, the word fashion has been highlighted in green. And in Chrome, you can press Ctrl plus F, and then you can search for a word. Let's say I search for the word uh, tablets. Hit enter and it will highlight everywhere you notice the word tablets. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.